This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your iPhone is updated and unlocked. This avoids hidden behavior. Once done, go straight to Settings Focus, Do Not Disturb to access full controls, or swipe down from the top right for Control Center to toggle faster. Use Settings when you want to configure exceptions and schedules. Use Control Center when you need immediate silence. This establishes where to act and why each path matters, so you don't misconfigure permissions later. Now configure the middle steps. Tap Do Not Disturb and choose who can reach you. You can allow calls from favorites, enable repeat calls for urgent second rings, or set emergency bypass for specific contacts. This controls safety versus silence. Then pick which apps may break through, use sparingly. Finally, decide whether to share across devices so your Mac and iPad follow the same rules. These choices shape practical exceptions and prevent missed emergencies while keeping distractions down. Finish by scheduling and testing. Set a time-based automation or choose a location or app trigger so Do Not Disturb turns on when needed. Once scheduled, test it, ask someone to call or text, or toggle via Control Center to verify behavior. Make sure Focus Status and iCloud Sync are correct if other devices aren't matching. If things go wrong, restart the phone, confirm iOS is up to date, and check Settings Focus for conflicting focus automations. That usually fixes stuck behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.